Welcome to Tristan's Adventures.
Hi, look I got.
It's the Rescue Heroes Transforming Fire Truck.
Transforming fire.
And it goes over 2 feet tall. It's a pretty tall fire truck. It has slides and some sounds, it looks like. Yeah.
Oh, watch this. What does it say?
That's a lot of sounds.
Yeah. Rescue
Rescue Heroes. Has some coins here. Okay, let's open. Whoa! Let's see the back.
We need scissors to cut these ones.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. You want to put it on the floor so you can play with it?
Sure.
Okay, let's take this one.
Good. Where's that?
Oh, it has tape. Okay, truck is ready for action. Let's look at this big old fire truck. Here's
Where's the word?
right here.
Get. Right, guys. We got shoes.
Hey. Oh, bless you.
And it's the
Is that waters? Is that what it is?
yeah.
Okay. Shoot the water.
Okay.
Whoa. Whoa.
No.
Yoo-hoo.
When you say tell me, and I come back to you. Okay? How's it look?
You have to push the handle. Look at this.
How's your shoes?
Beep, beep, beep. Is that a heavy truck?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is this? What's this inside?
That close. Because.
Okay, let's lift it up. There it is.
How's your shoes?
It's gonna shoot. Shoot the water.
How's your shoes? Help me. And I can win the rest.
Okay. Help me, help me.
Okay.
There's a big fire over there. Push the red button to bring it up. Where's the other water? Oh no, we need more water. He already lost the water What are we going to do?
Climb up high and up. The ladder comes down.
We're here right here with the other fire truck.
Down we go. Down we go.
Which one has water? Another fire truck. It's a little fire truck.
Now we turn off the fire.
Yay! No more fire.
Okay, just a more.
Just more. Just in case. Oh, we found all the water.
We found all the water.
Good job. Good job, Officer Tristan.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This was our Rescue Heroes Transforming Fire Truck video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Now Tristan's gonna have more fun with this video, right? Or this toy. Right, Tristan?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Tristan from Adventures. Thank you for watching my video. The click here to watch my adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.